Now we are going to talk about the third function of ezafe construction. We talked about the possessive usage, we talked about adjectival one, and now we are going to talk this third function, which is naming. This ezafe construction is used for connecting people and their titles, and for name places and their title, or for seasons and their names. So let's look at some examples. For example, we have the title Aga, that means Mr. Now you want to say that Mr. Khatami. Then you have the family name Khatami. Now, in order to connect them, you need to have ezafe. And because Aga ends in a long vowel, and in general a vowel, so you need to use a euphonic ye. So we say Agaye, Agaye Khatami. Now you want to say that, for example, Mr. Obama. So you can say آقای اوباما. آقای اوباما. Or another title is خانم, Mrs. or Miss. خانم احمدی. Mrs. Ahmadi or Miss Ahmadi. Another one, for example, you want to say that winter season. So you have the word fasl, means season. Then the name of that season, which is fasl zemistan, winter. Then you have the ezafe construction, fasl zemistan. فصل تابستان, summer season. فصل بهار, spring season. Another usage is that, for example, a place and its name. You want to say that Tehran University. So you have the word دانشگاه, means university, and you have Tehran. Then you need to use the ezafe construction, دانشگاه تهران. You want to say that the city of Tabriz. So you have the word شهر and the name Tabriz. شهر تبریز, city of Tabriz, or شهر تهران, city of Tehran, or شهر New York, New York City. So this is another. Or another one, for example, you want to say history book. You have the word kitab and history, تاریخ. Then you use ezafe construction, kitab تاریخ. Or you want to say that as we talk شهر تبریز, کتاب تاریخ. Or another one, for example, کتاب شیمی, or for example کلاس, کلاس فیزیک, physics class, کلاس فیزیک. کتاب تاریخ, دانشگاه تهران, شهر تبریز. So as you can see, this usage is for naming titles and places and their names, seasons and their names. Or for example, you want to say Rocky Mountains, you say کوههای راکی. Then because کوها ends in a long vowel, you need to add a euphonic here, کوههای راکی. Or in Iran, کوههای Alborz mountains. So this is important to remember always. After long vowel you need to have a euphonic here. Or then, because now we talked about this, you can have a combination of, you know, naming and adjectival. For example, you can say that شهر تبریز خوب, city, a good city of Tabriz, or کلاس فیزیک bad. It's possible to have a combination of different usages of ezafe, but it is important to remember that ezafe has those three functions: possessive, naming, and adjectival.